So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. In today's lecture, we are going to understand what is the application area of FactoryTalk View Studio in user and user group. In FactoryTalk View directory, elements such as data server, alarm server, event server, device server, HMI server, and project information are organized into application. A FactoryTalk View directory on hold any number of application, store information about each application and make that information available in FactoryTalk View product and service. It means if you created any application, either local station or network station or distribution station, all data related servers, it will store inside of FactoryTalk View directory. If you don't know about FactoryTalk View directory, so on particular topic, I already uploaded video on my YouTube channel, so you can go and watch. As I explained in my previous video, it is only theory series because of this is most important for theory. When you will understand theory, then you can do practical, and when you will align theory and practical, then you can solve any kind of the problem. It means you can solve this kind of problem, means FactoryTalk View related problem, means your client problem, means your customer problem, right? So let's next. A FactoryTalk View network directory can manage any number of separate network application. Likewise, a FactoryTalk local directory can manage number of separate local application. I think you understand. It means if you created any network application inside of FactoryTalk View Studio, so it network application will manage in network by network directory, and local application will be managed by local directory. When you developing a long on either network directory, when you developing a FactoryTalk View system log on network, either network directory or a local directory. Create an application at device server, at data server, and optional alarm and event. It means when you will create FactoryTalk View Studio, when you will create any project, so application at devices, it will store inside of FactoryTalk View directory, but data server and alarm server is optional. It means if you are using alarm server, then only it will store inside of FactoryTalk View directory, otherwise it will not store, because for the alarm server we need to create a server from inside of FactoryTalk View directory. How you can create, I will explain in my coming video how you can create server. You can see here tag, alarm and event server. So how you can create and how you can manage inside of FactoryTalk View directory, and inside of FactoryTalk View Studio how you can add alarm, event, trend, everything in my coming video. One by one I will explain. Now next, area organize or subdivided application in network directory into logical or physical division. For example, separate area might be correspond with separate manufacturing line in one facility, separate plant in different geographical location, or different manufacturer process. For example, HMI server are added and configured using FactoryTalk View Studio, but their status can be viewed in FactoryTalk View Administrator Console. If you don't know about FactoryTalk View Administrator Console, so I will explain in coming video, but now I will show you overview about FactoryTalk View Administrator Console. So in FactoryTalk View Administrator Console, you can manage server. See, FactoryTalk Administrator Console. When you will install the software, so on during installation it will come automatically, but you need to select, then it will come only, because during installation one tool option will come. When you will select, So this option you can see here. When you will open this pop-up will come. In pop-up, what is asking? Select the directory you want to use, means which directory you want to use, means this local network and local directory is inside of this information inside of directory. So it will get information from the directory in FactoryTalk administrator console. Example, you created a local station, so you can click on local. This alarm server, alarm and event server, and this HMI server means FactoryTalk View Studio. It means FT View Studio. It is a one project I was created. So here showing FT View Studio, and inside of FT View one server I created alarms. So showing alarm server. Here also another server is FT View Link. It's also a server. In server, you know, FT Link server means with FT Link server can browse tag, means tag is directory is giving tag to FT-Link server, FT-Link server giving tag to FactoryTalk View Studio, FactoryTalk View Studio giving tag to our elements, means walls, pumps, and animations, and animation giving to runtime, and runtime giving to customer, and customer giving to you, to your company or to you money, right? And money you are giving to your home, and you are enjoying also, right? I think yes, good, very good. Next is full explain. I will make a separate video on FactoryTalk Administrator Console. So I planned each and every tools. I will explain one by one. Application documenter, desk log, diagnostic viewer, FactoryTalk View, application manager, administrator console, FactoryTalk View, connectivity configuration utility, FactoryTalk View, DCM administrator authentication and label utility, FactoryTalk View, and diagnostic computer, diagnostic counter and monitor, FactoryTalk View directory configuration wizard, FactoryTalk View configuration expert tool, network browse, more tool. There is a 30 tools. So one by one tool I will explain. You can use these tools and you can easy your work. So next is HMI server added configuration in UG FactoryTalk View Studio, but their status can view. Also from here you can see status. For which status? FactoryTalk View Administrator Console. Inside of console, you can see status of HMI server. HMI servers, FactoryTalk View, HMI server, alarm and event server, FactoryTalk View Linux browse server. So, how you can see status? If status is corrected, then only alarm or tag can browse. This is demo project by Rockwell. So you can see here, right click and open. Here you can see each and every alarms. You can see this all alarms created by Rockwell because it is a demo project. So you can see all alarms created by Rockwell. And if you want to know server, the status of server, so right click here. You can see status, server status. You can see server status is active. Example, if here showing not active, so this server you cannot use inside of FactoryTalk View Studio. And secondary server is not configured status. Switch over option, here is also switch over option. This is all I will explain in coming videos one by one because it is a topic, one topic. Now I will not explain. And here also you can see policy. It's totally different topic. So in coming video I will explain. Create a separate, you can see here, separate HMI server added in application area. You can see this is separate, and each and every, this is one project, this is another project. Here also you can see, sorry, yes, in demo project you can see line 1 alarm, another is line 1 data, another is line 1 image. One
2, 3. This is a 3 server. FT view demo, communication means FT view links, and line 1 tag FTA means it is a server name. They are given server name in line 1 means they are given server name. You can give any other server name. So another project also you can see here. This is a different project means by default demo project. So here you can see server also, alarm also. If you want you can add. In coming video I will show you. Area cannot, but you can see status, but area cannot be created within a local application. In local application you cannot create any type of area. So that's it. I hope you enjoying my video and you are learning from my videos. If you learning from my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update.